Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 4th of November, Thursday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis alongside the live audio commentary support and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, from yesterday we had the short trade, bank few PPs, and afterwards, after the news, once the price developed this pattern, explained to my trader if the price is going to break this previous side, then we're going to be keep taking a long, otherwise short trade here. Technically, if you look at here, the price broken, that's what I explained to my trader. The previous price action, price broken, did not respect, and if the price break, we have one respect, second time possibilities. And also, if you look at the bigger picture, that's what I explained to my trader, that looks like the price develop another head and shoulder pattern. We're expecting a short trade here. Look at this candle. We have a bearish engulfing candle, that's the sign, and then we have taken a short trade here, bank beautiful pips. So we had amazing trades on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze all these opportunities in intraday and help my traders to bank beautiful pips. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so this is the analysis we have from yesterday. We have a pullback short trade here. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, our bias was short on EURUSD. The video link is given in also in video description. You can watch it. So you can see this was the short trade in 4 hour, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards, the news, yesterday we had a news for the dollar. But as I said to you guys, we don't trade during the news. Once the news is finished, once the market settled down, I explained to my trader, technically we are looking a short trade here, so let the market, if the market is going to break the previous high, then long, otherwise short trade here. Safest way to look for this support resistance trend line breakout. As you can see here, price nicely respected the previous high, and we have candle develop, which is, we can call it spinning top candle. And afterwards, once the price reach here at this level, we had a bearish engulfing candle. Beautiful, everything aligned according to the 4 hour price action breakout as soon as the price hit to the previous low. And that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So once the profit is done, and afterwards I said to guys, once the profit done, let's wait for the price to develop another pullback at this level, which I did this analysis instantly once we make some profit. As you can see here, expected pullback at this level or at this level. As you can see here, price nicely respected, as explained to analysis, also announced through these opportunities through live audio commentary. Beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the major resistance support level, previous low in 4 hour. That's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had amazing short trade on EURUSD, beautiful trade. Let's move into the pound dollar. If you look at the 4 hour, our bias was short from last week. We had this breakout, we were short here. We also had some counter long trade here. We were expecting a short trade here, and let me explain to you guys why. Because if you look at here, the price developed another downside channel pattern, which is broken here. After the breakout, we one retest and expecting another retest, which price nicely did. So we had a long trade here at this one, counter yesterday, and then after the news release, and we had a short trade from this morning. And because today was the high impact news for the pound dollar, which is negative because the official bank rate unchanged, and that's a negative sign for the pound, and we will keep taking a pullback short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and bank beautiful pips. If you look at the intraday analysis, okay, so if you look at from yesterday, as I mentioned we were long from this level in 4 hour, which is, you can see here, price developed this consolidation, and after this breakout we're expecting another pullback. Beautiful, as soon as the price hit this previous level, That's what we explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit and let the news finished. And once the news is finished, I explained to my trader if the price gonna stay above the previous high, exactly like for in EURUSD. If the price gonna stay above this level, then long, otherwise we're expecting a short trade here. You can see we have ascending triangle pattern. As soon as the price broken this previous low, explain to my trader, take a short trade here or keep taking a pullbacks. And London morning session, I also did this analysis. Price is already broken this previous low, so we're expecting another short trade here. Safest way if the price gonna break the previous low, which you can see here. Price nicely broken, bank beautiful pips, and the news was in our favor. We have taken another short trade here and bank beautiful pips. Once our bias is developed, so we're looking pullback in intraday. So that's what exactly we did. Price developed a downside channel pattern. Our bias was short, news was negative for the pound. Explain to my trader, first priority always be look for the pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed another pullback. Momentum is bearish. We have announced another trade through live audio commentary, short trade here, another pullback. Just keep taking it. That's what I'm saying. Today our trader made more than 100 pips. Most of the traders just keep taking it, because 4-hour news was in alignment, technical was in alignment according to the fundamental, and beautiful pips. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a good trade too. If you look at the dollar CAD, our bias was long from last couple of weeks. If you haven't seen my previous analysis, video link is given in video description. All right, so yesterday we had a long trade here. From here, bank few pippies, then wait for the news, and after the news we had this short trade here, counter short trade, bank few pippies, and then afterwards when you see this price rejection, bearish, bullish engulfing candle pattern, explain to my trader if the price gonna break this resistance, then we're gonna keep taking a pullback. So that's what exactly happened. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and refine the entries and exit exactly and bank beautiful pips. Okay, so you can see here, this is the analysis from yesterday. We had this breakout as I mentioned here. So as soon as the price hit this level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit, and let's wait for the news. And yesterday was the news release, and explain to my trader pull back long here, otherwise if the price going to break and retest, which you can see here, price broken and the retest, momentum was developed bearish, and that's what I explained to my trader it's time to take a short trade. By the way, this was the counter trade after this candle. It makes sense. We have a bullish rejection, price could not maintain above this level. We have this breakout as mentioned in the intraday. We have a confirmation in intraday, breakout and retest, bank beautiful pips. And afterwards I did another analysis this morning, London morning session. I also explained to my trader price develop an inverted head and shoulder pattern, the safest way if the price gonna break at this level, and then we're going to take a long trade here, which is technically, you can see here, this was the breakout trade here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards, as always, after the breakout, pullback. That's what exactly happened at the New York session. Explained to my trader, momentum is bullish, bias is bullish, 4-hour sentiment is bullish, so we're taking a pullback. So you can see here, price nicely came back as mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback. We have another pullback, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit. All right guys, now you have seen it, how we analyze market in 4-hour, define sentiment, bias, and how I refine entries and exit in intraday and bank profit every single day, guys. I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. As always mentioned, guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit in real time through live intraday analysis, through live audio commentary support. And even once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, then I can also help you to get funded from prop firms, or even if you are experienced trader. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading. I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.